Good morning guys! Happy Monday! Today is September 2, 2024. Maulang morning po. Dahil ngayon po ay walang pasok kasi may bagyo.
Hello, wala kami pasok.
Kain po tayo ng mais. Buti na lang may stock kami ng food. Hindi kami magugutom. Kahit na ulan.
Is it just me, but I'm starting to think that this sky base is cursed.
Bye guys!